Well, I just had these leads through. I bought them off AliExpress for really cheap with a discount price, and I have to say these are excellent, really good quality. You can pull the ends off to give you the extra protection for when you're doing high voltage, or use the longer probes for doing normal diagnostic sort of work. They are modular. They come with these as well. These are extra long plugs. I'll put the right one in the right one. So you get a bit of extra length, and also better for like smaller electronics, precise electronic testing. Really good quality leads these are. Feel great. One of the best set of leads I've ever had. I've only ever used stock ones, what come with multimeters. Well, I got these, were so cheap I thought I'd give them a try. The leads are really soft and definitely high quality. So yeah, the leads are brilliant, but even better still, and I think these are only £6 to buy off the internet, so I would definitely get a set of these if you don't get a set of them. These are really high quality. The leads feel great. Good quality plugs on. Great quality ends. Crocodile clip ends. So I think I paid less than £12 for them, so at that price it was a bargain, but even at £20, good buy. I definitely recommend that set. Feel great, real comfortable to use, lots of options, and high quality.